motherfuckers guilty. That motherfuckers guilty. That motherfuckers guilty. That motherfuckers guilty. That motherfuckers guilty.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today, gagawa po tayo ng tinapay. So ayan. Actually, matagal ko na tong kinikrave. Ayan, di ba? Parang buntis lang. And I'm sure maraming gustong makakain ng ganitong klase ng tinapay. So, this is the pandesal. Actually, pandesal ubi with cheese. So, ayan po ang ating mga ingredients. So, ayan, ubi. Ito po yung pang filling. And then, of course, ating food coloring to make it ubi color. Then, breadcrumbs, all-purpose, and milk. Of course, ayan na siya. And then, I have a cheese, two kind of cheese. Like, this is Edam cheese. And this one is a Velveeta. So, either one. Egg and yeast, of course, and butter. So, ayan. And finally, guys, meron na tayong mixer para hindi na tayo mapagod ng kakamasa. So, ayan. Diba? Para at least pwede na tayong araw-araw mag-bake. Ayan, so let's start it, guys. So, I hope it's going to turn out good. Ito, guys, ang ating kakailanganin. 4 cup of all-purpose, 1/2 sugar, 1/4 milk powder, 1/2 butter, and of course the cheese, and then 3 egg, 1 yeast, and of course the ubi sa ano yan pag filling, and then the flavored ubi, and then breadcrumbs, and of course the milk. Ayan, milk, 1 cup of milk. So ayan, guys, ready na. So first off, guys, milk, 1 cup of milk, and 1/2 cup of sugar, yeast, 1.5 tablespoon, or 1 of this, and mix it. One teaspoon salt, the 3 egg, 1/2 cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of ube flavor, then stir it. One-4 of powder milk, 1 cup all-purpose, and then mix it. One by one, guys, para mas ma-mix siya ng maayos. Yung iba kasi nilalagay na nila lahat. And then second cup, the third cup, 4 cup, guys. And then you have to mix it, guys, for 1 to 2 minutes until mix it together. So, ayan yung ubi, guys, and cheese, breadcrumbs. Ito yung i-filling natin sa bread. So, ayan na, guys. Kailan ma-oil tayo? Isa po siya. Hala? LOL! Yeah. Ayan na guys yung ating finished product. Ayun, nakain na. Yun nandoon. O, tsaka dito. Diba? Kasi tinikman na siya. So, ayun guys. Tatakpan po ulit. Paparize natin ang isang. So, ayun na guys ang finished product natin. So, let's... Wow! Diba? The Bilbito. Look. Oh, ang soft niya. Soft na soft. Still the Bilbito, baby. I didn't find that the other shoes. So, I'm going to open everything. It's soft. Oh, it's very soft. Mmm. That's good. Pwede lang mag-negosyo. Lambot nyo guys. First time. Maganda yung pagka. So, ayan na guys. There you go.
Yummy.
That's good.
Is this all? This is the cheese. The one that I'm looking for.
This is good.
Kasi may bilbito siya guys. Yung isa, ito, ano to, egg and cheese. This one is the egg and cheese. And with ubi. And it's soft. Open natin yung isa pa.
Wow.
Ano yun? Sausaw suka. The bird girl. They like it.
Open it.
It's egg and cheese again.
Wow. There's a cheese. So, yun guys. Yung finished product natin. Soft naman siya. So, sana nagustuhan yung aking video today. And see you in the next video. For the Spanish bread naman ang next natin. Thank you so much for watching.